Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the best SteelSeries Sonar settings for gaming. So this is really useful for enhancing your game's audio, especially in first-person shooter games like Call of Duty and Valorant, where you need to be able to hear important sounds like enemy footsteps. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is just head over to an internet browser, and you need to make sure that you have the SteelSeries application installed. So you can download this software completely for free just by heading over to the URL section and typing in steelseries.com/gg/sonar and then just clicking the free download link here. Once you've installed SteelSeries, then you need to launch the application and it should look something similar to this. You'll need to make sure you're logged into your account. Then from the left, head over to Sonar, come over to the Mixer tab here and we need to select Game. Then underneath Playback, you'll just need to select your output audio device. Ideally, you want headphones, but if you only have speakers like myself, then just select these. Then come over to mic in the right hand side here and also just select your microphone input. Then head over to the game tab at the top, click on a preset over here. And from here, you just want to select the game of the audio that you want to enhance. Now, as you can see, there's 163 different types of presets that you can choose from here. So pretty much every popular game that you could think of is inside of here, like Valorant, Call of Duty. So just using the search bars, go ahead and search for the game that you're playing. So let's say, for example, we wanted to enhance the audio of a Call of Duty Warzone. Go ahead and double click on this. Now you have full customization of all of the sound settings inside of him. I typically like to leave all of these things as default. The only things we will change is if you just scroll down slightly, you will want to reduce this voice down to -1.4. Everything else we can leave as the same. Then come down to spatial audio and you actually want to turn this on. Choose between either headphone mode or speaker mode. Ideally, we have headphones connected and you can select that. Headphones are always going to give you much better audio. Then in the tuning section, you need to reduce the slider all the way down to performance. And for distance, we are going to set this to 75. Then come down to volume boost and make sure this is set to 0. And smart volume, we can leave this disabled. Then finally, all we're going to do is head over to the settings tab in the left end, and you need to make sure underneath auto run that we have this turned on. And that way, every time our computer starts, this application is going to load up. And it just saves us from having to launch this up every time we try to play our games. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that's going to give you the best audio settings for SteelSeries for gaming. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.